Hello guys, welcome to another video from Random Shashi. Today we are going to give you the full review of the Xiaomi Mi Band 3. The Mi Band 3, which costs only $27 or 2000 rupees here in India. The design of the Mi Band 3 is pretty similar to that of the Mi Band 2, except for the fact that it has a larger OLED display. And the strap is made up of a material called thermoplastic elastomer. The device has an IP rating of 5 atmospheres, which means that the Mi Band 3 is water resistant up to 50 meters. The display is a 1.9 cm OLED display, which is all touchscreen and is very easy to navigate. The display brightness is only average, so it's a bit difficult to see the display in direct sunlight. The Mi Band 3 is a typical fitness tracker that can track your steps, distance traveled and calories burned. It can also measure your heart rate. The band can also track your sleeping time. The Mi Band 3 has a 110 mAh battery which will last you around 15 to 20 days if you are always connected to your phone. The notifications and messages shown on the band are read-only, which means you can't reply to it directly from the band. For calls, it shows the name of the caller. You can either silent or reject the call from the band. I've been using the band for the last 2 months and I found out that the pedometer and the heart rate tracker was accurate most of the time. The band is very comfortable to wear and most of the time you won't even realize it's on your hand. The conclusion is that at $27, the Xiaomi Mi Band 3 is perfect for you if you are in the market for fitness trackers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to press that subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you for watching.